I'm going to show you how to legally steal $100,000 from the bank from someone who has over $500,000 in credit. Step 1, building. What does that mean? First things first, you want to open up a personal credit card if you don't have one already. You want to start building credit. A really good way to fast track this is by adding an AU. So have a family member or a friend add you on their credit card as an authorized user so you can get a boost on your credit score. The second part of this building phase is opening up an LLC. Now, yes, you can apply for personal and business credit cards without having an LLC, but working in the space over the past 5 or 6 years, I have noticed that having an LLC will get you access to more capital. And the last part of building is opening bank accounts. This is very important for relationship building. Every year that passes, it is harder for all of these banks to get you access to all of this money if you do not have a relationship established with them. Number 2, stacking. That is basically where you are going to stack multiple credit cards to acquire this 100K. Now, you can run 2 types of stacks, either a personal or a business or both, depending on what your goal is. A good example of a personal credit stack would be something like a Discover It card, because it gives you A, high limits, and B, it's great for beginners and people who are just starting, or even for people who have credit already. Second would be something like a Freedom Flex or Freedom Unlimited. This card also has 0% for 12 months, and Chase tends to give some high limits. 3 would be an Apple Card. Now, Apple Card is really cool because you can actually get this card without any impact on your credit report. No inquiry, and they tend to give some pretty decent limits. And lastly, we have Navy. The reason I like Navy, again, high limits. The whole purpose of doing a personal sequence is to build out high limit personal cards. That way, when you move over to the business side, you're not stuck with low limit cards because you ran a very strong sequence on the personal side. Now, on the business side, you can run something like this. You can do an Amex Business Gold or Business Platinum, and you can also combine that with an Amex Business Cash or a Business Plus. This will get you access to high limit 0% funding. Chase also has 3 different cards that you can go for. They also offer 0% and high limits. And lastly, you can throw Bank of America in there. Now, once you've run this sequence, let's say with the Amex Platinum card, you get a 20K in spending power. Let's say with the Business Cash, you get another 20,000 right there. If you do 2 Chase cards at 25K each, that's 50K right there. And let's say worst case scenario, you get 2 Bank of America cards, 5K each. That's going to get you 10K right there. So right here, you have 40. Right here, you have 60. Combine these two, you got 100K in credit.